Hello everyone, and welcome into our Agentic AI series. My name is Houda, and I'm an engagement director in Unit 8. Today, I want to talk about one of the reasons why most of the Agentic AI projects fail, and how can we make sure that yours succeeds. Right now, everyone talks about Agentic AI, about the frameworks, about the agent that can reason, that can plan, and that can take decisions by themselves. But here is the truth. The technology today is no longer a problem. We have very powerful models. We have open source tools. We have cloud platforms that could scale anything you could imagine. But the real challenge is, why do we build it? In the past months, I've worked together with multiple enterprises where we jumped directly into building agents. Because it's cool, because it's exciting. And it is cool, it is exciting. But when you take a step back and when you think about what problem are we truly solving using this, we had a big silence. And this is where it really hit me. The breakthrough happens when we flip the question, when we flip it from what does the technology can do, what can this technology do in a way, into what pain point could this truly solve. Let's take pharma as an example. Too often in pharma and R&D, for example, we talk about there is a need to build an agent to automate clinical trials or to automate the generation of clinical trials documentation. Sounds very impressive, but it's very focused into technology if you look at it closer. Let me invite you to flip it. Let's start by the problem or the pain point. Who suffers from this? And here we could say, scientists spend between 3 to 4 weeks in a clinical trial to gather requirements across studies and build this documentation. Let's move into the value. What if we can reduce these 3 to 4 weeks into 3 days? So now we're talking. Now we can move into the agent. And now we could say, let's build an agent that could interview scientists, extract context, and draft alignment documentations. And here we're talking about 20 days reductions in trials. This is clear, this is measurable. This is no innovation theater, I would say. This is value. And here, Agentic AI stops being this shiny concept or shiny experimentations and becomes a real business asset that will also allow you and allow your people to focus on higher value tasks. So the question here isn't anymore, can we build it? Because I guess we can build anything today, but should we build it? And for what return on investment? You might ask me, how can I calculate very easily this return on investment? Let me simplify a quick approach on how you could estimate your ROI and how you could also do it since early stages. My initial recommendation would be that you anchor it into your business reality. Estimate the time, estimate the cost, and estimate the risk reduction as well. Translate your time saved into productivity, into cost impact. Align your KPIs with your business before even thinking about architecture and building. And then, and only then, you can match this with the right agent architecture. This way, you start with the value, you measure the impact, then you build. Because once you get there, once you get the why, the technology will simply follow. And at the end of the day, the most successful and impactful AI implementations are not the ones with the fanciest technology, but the ones that solve real problems, that deliver measurable value. For your next agentic project, start with the why. Your ROI will thank you. Have a great day, everyone.